it would be a cumbersome task for you as well. So I would request to log in just in the class itself, so that I can help it with I can help you if there is any problem. Okay. So basically, check your message, inbox message, WhatsApp message. You have received the link. You can give the test either on the app, either on the web app. Both are available. Okay.
Okay.
So have you received the message link and
No.
Okay. Okay, Adil. So no issues. Keep checking, or you can on your WhatsApp while you are in the class, so that you can receive the link and let me know whenever you receive the link in the class itself.
Okay.
Okay. Adil, now let's start this topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Adil, now tell me, do you know what are complementary angles?
Yeah.
Now tell me dear, what are those? Yes, Adil? Tell me.
Then when they are 90 degrees.
Didn't get the point. Repeat again, Adil.
When they measure are 90 degrees.
When their measures. Okay, which means that you are saying like suppose two angles, the sum of two angles are 90 degrees. Suppose theta 1 and theta 2 are two angles which are, if we add them, it would be 90. These are called complementary.
Yes.
Very good, Adil. Adil, can you tell me supplementary?
When there's some they are up to 180.
180. Very good, Adil. Very good. Keep it up. That's a good point. Okay, Adil. So that's very great. These are the two things which are basically in the angle format. Okay. One is complementary and second one is supplementary. So at this point of time, Adil, we are talking about complementary. Okay. So I hope you got the point. Suppose, Adil, let me tell you one thing is that suppose this is a triangle, Adil. Right angle triangle means? Adil, what is right angle triangle?
90 degrees.
Not 90 degree. You always say whenever there is whenever one angle is 90 degree. One angle should be 90, Adil?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, Adil, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Very good. Now, Adil, tell me what should be sine C. Can you tell me what is sine C in terms of ABC? Adil, can you tell me what is sine C in terms of ABC if sine is as theta? Sorry, C is as theta.
No, I don't know.
Don't know? Adil, AB by AC will be the sine C, na? Theta opposite to side opposite to theta is perpendicular. Sine theta is what? P by H.
Yeah.
P is what? AB. Adil, which means that you are not revising. Adil, if you don't revise, then you will not get the further concept clearly. Remember, revise before coming to the class. Even after ending the class, at least give 15 minutes to the topic which you have covered in the class. Okay. So Adil, now tell me, sine C is AB by AC. Now can you tell me cos A? What is cos A here? Cos A. Now what is the perpendicular in this case if we take A as theta?
BC.
BC. So BC is this, and base is what? If we take A as theta?
AB.
AB. So our basically cos theta is based upon hypotenuse.
Yes.
So AB our will be base. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So Adil, can you tell me AB and AC both. So sine C and cos A are equal to each other, yes or no?
Yes.
So Adil, can you tell me, if we write angle C and angle A is equals to 90, is it wrong or right?
Right.
Right now, one angle is 90, other two will be 90, because the sum of the triangles angle of the basically the sum of all the angles for triangle is 180. So 90 is already there, only 90 is left. So can I write this as minus of A? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So Adil, can you put this C as 90 minus A here?
Yes.
Yes, na? 90 degree minus A is equals to AB by AC. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
And now can you put AB by AC equals to cos A here? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A. Now, Adil, are they complement to each other? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes, they are.
Yes, na?
Yes.
So this is called complementary angle. Basically, Adil, this is not a part of CBSE syllabus, but still I am taking this as a topic because this concept is used in the next exercise. In some of the question, you will be applying this concept. So if you are not able to understand this, you won't be able to do that questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's a very short topic. I'm not going in detail. I'm just understanding it, basic questions of it. Then we will move to the last topic of the trigonometry. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So don't underestimate this topic, Adil. It's an important topic as well. If still not in CBSE syllabus, but it has some part, it has some role to play in the next exercise and then in some of the questions. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, Adil, now can we write cos 90 degree minus A equals to what? Sin A? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yes.
So basically, sin and cos are complement to each other. Okay, Adil?
Okay.
I'm happy that you are getting my point very early and fastly. Okay. Okay. Next thing is that tan 90 minus A is equals to cot A. Cot and tan are complementary to each other. Okay, Adil?
Okay.
Adil, trigonometry is all about practice. Practice as much as you can, dear. It's very important to practice trigonometry. Okay. So that's why I'm advising you should at least complete NCRT for the school syllabus. Sec is the complement of cosec. Okay, Adil? So
Okay.
cosec 90 minus A is equals to sec A. Yes or no, Adil? Now tell me, is it
Yes.
clear to you? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, very good. So Adil, let's take some example from this. The example which I'm taking will be enough to understand this. Actually, this part is not in NCRT book itself, because the rationalized book has basically reduced this part or removed this part. But I have the older version of NCRT in a hard copy. So that's why I have some basic questions regarding it. Okay, Adil?
Okay.
Okay. Now, Adil, evaluate tan 65 degree upon cot 25 degree. Adil, is this, sorry, let me write it again in a very beautiful manner. It was not in a beautiful manner. Tan 65 degree upon cot 25 degree. Now it's looking good than the previous one. So let's solve this, Adil. tan 65 degree upon cot 65. Not cot 65, 25, sorry. Adil, now tell me, cot and tan are reciprocal to each other, yes or no?
Yes.
If we somehow change this tan or change this cot, we can cancel them out. If we change this in angle, yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
We can go with any of them. We will get the same answer with both of them. If we change tan into cot, how to change it? Tan, can you write 65 as 90 degree minus 25 degree? Adil, yes or no?
No, yes.
90 minus 25 is what?
60.
65 now?
Yes, 65.
So Adil, tell me, tan 90 minus theta. What will be the value of this? Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus A equals to?
Go for it.
Angle should be same here. In this, angle should be same, Adil. As you can see, na, tan 90 minus theta. What should be the angle inside the cot?
65.
No. Why 65, Adil? A. This is A, yes or no?
Yes, 25.
25 upon cot 25. What should be the value here? 1.
0, 1.
1, Adil, this is in division. Why 0? A little bit focus. Okay, Adil, one more question. Evaluate sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Adil, can you solve it for me? Can you tell me how to solve it?
First, we have to do the reciprocal.
Just a second, Adil. Let me write this. And cos 72. Yes, Adil, tell me how to solve it. Which one should we opt? We can opt any of them. Either
72.
okay, 72. Pick 72. Okay, sine 18 will be as it is. Tell me how to write 72 in terms of 90 minus theta.
90 minus 18.
Very good. 90 minus 18. Sine 18 will be as it is. Now, cos 90 minus theta. What should be the value here?
18.
What will be the ratio? Cos रहेगा ये, will it be cos or sine or any ratio?
And
Cos
cos
90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus A equals to
sine A.
sine A. Cos 90 minus theta equals to
Sine
sine. What will be the angle inside the sine?
18.
18. Very good. Which is equals to 1 basically. This will get cancelled out. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Is this clear to you, dear? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Okay. Let me take one more example, Adil. Express cot 85 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Now, Adil, this is a very basic question. It looks like that it's very tough, but it is not. So, cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree. How to write? Adil, now how to write this 85 in terms of 90 minus theta? Tell me.
90 minus 10.
90 minus
10.
10.
90 minus 4.
Oh, no, 5, 4. 5 na? 85.
Yeah.
If we minus
I thought it was
5 from
6.
80, 90, we will get na 85
Yeah, I thought it
plus
was 6.
cos 90 minus 75. What should be getting subtracted from this 90 to get 75?
And 15.
Not 16, Adil. It would be 15,
15.
dear. 15. Yes, 15. Very good. Sorry, my mistake. I heard it 16. So cot 90 minus theta. What is the complementary of cot?
Sine. Sine.
No. Cot, C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Cot, reciprocal of cot. Oh, sorry, complementary of cot. Cot 90 minus A is what?
Tan A.
Tan A, na, dear? Tan A, very good. Okay, no issues, Adil. Don't hesitate and don't panic. Sometimes it's happened. It's a very, you can say in first time, every students little bit confused, gets little bit confused. Okay. So
Okay.
it's a general thing. No need to worry about it. I know you are a good student. You will cope up. Like this confusion will basically get diminished. Yes, cot 90 minus theta will be tan. Now, Adil, can you tell me what will be the angle here?
5.
Is 5. Very good. Plus cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. What should be the complementary ratio?
10.
No, Adil. Cos. This is cot. This is cos. Cos is
Cos will
difference.
be as
Yes,
sin.
cos. Yes,
Sine.
Adil.
Case will be sine.
Sine. Sine A. What is the angle here?
15.
15. Very good. So, Adil, this is the answer. We have to convert these angles between 0 and 45. So these angle basically lies between 0 and 45, yes or no? 5 and 15.
Yes.
Yes, na, Adil?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you solve a question for me if I give it to you?
Yes.
Okay, evaluate tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. Adil, I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve it in your notebook and let me know the answer. What's the answer of it?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Just do this and let me know. Yes, Adil, have you done that?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me the answer.
It's 1.
Very good. Very good. The answer is 1. What you have done, Adil? Now can you tell me?
Now first tan 48 degree equals to tan 90 minus 42.
Very good. Very good, Adil. Very good. Now, one more example, a little bit, just to increase the level of it. Cos 38 degree dot cos 52 degree minus sine 38 degree dot sine 52. Now tell me the answer. One more minute, then we will move to the next topic.
No.
Yes, Adil, done.
Yes.
What's the answer of it?
0.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now you have got the concept clearly, Adil?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So Adil, let's move to the next topic. This is all about this of complementary angle. So our next topic is the trigonometric identities, Adil. So let's start this topic. Adil, basically in this chapter we have three identities. Okay, in this 10th standard trigonometry, only three identities are used in the whole chapter. First one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. Next is sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Next is cot square theta is equals to 1 plus cosec square theta. So Adil, these three identities are used in the whole trigonometry chapter in 10th standard. So let
Okay.
me prove the first one. It's basically proof is not in the like the school exams, but still I'm proving it so that you can understand how do we get the basically. Okay. So just a second. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is our theta. Now Adil, can you tell me? Let's prove this. Now can you tell me LHS is equals to? Now Adil, tell me sine theta is what here? In terms of ABC.
C.
Yes, Adil, tell me.
C.
No, this is the angle. Now I'm asking what will be the value of sine theta in terms of ABC if I'm taking C as theta.
AC.
Yes, Adil?
AC.
Why AC? Adil? Yes, tell me.
AC.
Adil, if I told you if this is theta, opposite side will be perpendicular. And if this is 90, the opposite side will be hypotenuse. And the ratio of sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It would be AB by AC. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Now, if I'm taking cos theta, tell me, Adil, what is cos theta in this? If C is already as theta, B by H. Now, tell me the value of in terms of ABC.
BC by
BC by
AB.
why AB?
AC.
AC. Adil, hypotenuse does not change it. Okay. So, Adil, the question is saying square the sine theta value, square the cos theta value. So, we will do the same thing. Sine theta plus cosine square theta is equals to AB square upon AC square. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Cos square theta will be equals to BC square upon AC square. Yes or no, Adil? The question, the next
Yes.
thing is saying add them up. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to AB square by AC square, Adil, plus BC square by AC square, Adil. Yes or no?
Yes.
AC square denominator is same. Can we add them directly? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
AC BC square. Adil, tell me here if the AB plus BC square is equals to something according to Pythagoras. AB square and BC square, it is something according to Pythagoras. Can you tell me? Adil, think about it, dear. It's a very basic question which I have asked from you. Adil,
Yes.
tell me. Isn't it equal to AC square, Adil? This AB is P, BC is base, P square plus B square equals to H square, Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
This is P, this is B, this is H. Adil, yes or no?
Yes.
Can we write AB square plus BC square as AC square?
Yes.
Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
It equal to cancel out 1. So we have proved that tan square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Hence proved. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Is there anything which is not clear, Adil?
It's clear.
It's clear?
Yes.
Adil, revise. As you can see yourself, like you know the like you understand the concept very easily, but without revision, your concepts will not be for you forever. You have to at least revise. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, before coming to the class, give it a revision, small revision, a 15-minute revision at least, after before class and after class. What you have studied in the previous class, revise it, and what you have studied in the current class, revise it as well, so that you don't forget it easily.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do one question here. Express to implement how to implement these formulas. Express express the ratios of cos A, tan A, and sec A in terms of sin A. Okay, Adil. So let's understand what the question is basically saying. Adil, can now tell me, if we have to convert costs into in terms of sign, what should we do according to identities?
Multiple.
Hmm? Adil, can we write this thing as Adil, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So our cost will be basically, if we remove this square root will appear here.
Yes.
So now we have written in term, basically it's saying in terms of A. So basically we have to write all these things in terms of A, because it will, like, the teacher will say it is in A. So you have to write the answer in A as well. Cos square A, sin square A. So Adil, at least be cautious while taking angles. Look at the question if they are in theta or in any other form. 1 minus sin square A. Now tell me, this is in form of sine, yes or no, Adil? Cos.
Yes.
Now Adil, tell me, if you have to write sine tan theta in terms of sine and cos, how would you write it? It's the most basic question. If you have to write
Uh,
tan theta, what will be the ratio basically, dear? What will be the value in terms of sine and cos?
Code A.
No, 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 no. Can we write tan theta as sine A upon cos A? Adil,
Yes.
yes or no?
Yes.
Now you can see what I'm trying to say. If you are not revising, that's why you are not like able to retain the previous concepts. Like you are able to retain, but you are not able to recall them. Yes, Adil.
Yes.
So that's why we need revisions after every class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now tell me, sine is already there. Do we have to convert it? Question already
Yeah.
said it should be in sine A. So sine is already present in this term. We are not gonna change it. Now tell me, cos A, we can write in this on yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, Adil. Question is saying sec A. Now tell me, Adil, how I can write sec A in terms of sine or in terms of cos, anything which you eventually know.
The reciprocal of
The reciprocal of
sine.
no, not sine.
Of
The
course.
reciprocal of sine is cosec.
Reciprocal of cos.
Yes, the reciprocal of cos. Very good. What is the value of cos A here, dear?
1 minus sine square.
Square. So this is the answer. So these terms are changed in sine A. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Is this clear to you? Yes or no? Yes, Adil?
Yes.
Just a second. Let me share my screen and got freezed. Just a second. Sharing it again with you. Yes, Adil. So just a second. Yes, let me erase this thing. Yes, Adil. So now you can see we have changed the terms to sign all the terms into sign A. Okay.
Yes.
Let's take one last example of this class, Adil. Before ending this class, let me take one example as well. Prove that prove sec A 1 minus sin A sec A plus tan A equals to 1. So Adil, let's solve. Okay, let's solve this question. So let's take LHS. We have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. So let's take sec of A 1 minus sin A sec A plus tan A. Adil, now tell me, we have to, so what can we do? Tell me, how many ways or how many approaches are there? What should we do? What are the ways? What can we do? We can play with these ratios. Like, we can convert any of them to any of them, right? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Now tell me, what can we do in this specific example?
Cosec A,
Yes, Adil?
cosec
Cosec? Why cosec, Adil? Tell me. Adil,
Yes.
just tell me, dear. Okay, listen, Adil. Can you convert sec into cos and tan into sine and cos? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
As I can see in this question, sine is already present. So it would be easy to convert all of them into sine and cos. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
1 by sine, 1 by cos into 1 minus sine A into 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what 1 minus sine A by cos A, or first term, into this is what cos A will be same because both the denominator are there same. So we can
Yes.
directly add them up. 1 minus sine A. Adil, now tell me, if we multiply cos square, we get cos theta and like if we multiply both of them, we get cos square. And now tell me what basically is the formula. This is what formula. If you have multiplied them, what basically it's a form, it's an identity. It's our identity presented in front of you in a very simple manner.
I don't know.
You know, a plus b into a minus b, Adil. A plus b into a minus b. What's the identity there?
A square,
Minus b
B
square. So it is 1, a is 1, a square, 1 square is already 1, and sine square is there. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So can we write it as, what is 1 minus sine square, Adil? 1 minus sine square. Think about it. Think about it. Is it cos
Undefined.
square a? Why undefined? Isn't it cos square a, Adil? Think of, listen. 1 minus cos, 1 minus sine square a. We have just used this identity, Adil.
Yes.
We have just shifted the sine squared on the right hand side. It would become 1 minus sine square equals to cos square. So we have just put it the value here. So it is equals to 1 or no? Yes.
Yes.
So LHS is equals to RHS, yes or no?
Yes.
Hence proved. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Is this clear to you, Adil? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is like Adil, please be honest. If it's clear, yes or no?
It is.
Okay, okay. So Adil, so like we have started this last part of the trigonometry in the class, so we don't have like we didn't have enough time to cover all the types of questions. So we will do that questions in the next class itself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so Adil, so that's the these types of I will practice some questions as you so I will send them as you okay, I will send them send the some questions based on some the previous concepts. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So Adil, that's all for the class. Thank you so much. So I hope you got my concepts.
Yes.
Okay, so Adil, one more